Hello everyone. With this video I would like to just touch base with my fan and say big thank you, and I would like to point that I have got this community tab which you can see in front of you on the screens, and this community tab I've been publishing my community posts regularly to touch base with you and tell some updates about my channel and what I intend to do and what I would like to send as a message. Okay, so I have posted it 7 days ago that I thought of taking this chance through a community post to post the links of some of my most viewed videos for my new viewers and subscribers, and these are how I solved Docker daemon not starting with Docker desktop. This available on, if you click on this link, this is quite a popular video. Likewise, these are other ones, like if you go back to the community tab, so there are many more, like 10 of the most popular videos in recent times that I have published, like how to easily migrate your ASP.NET Core 3.1 projects to ASP.NET 6, and how to fix insert statement conflicted with foreign key error in Visual Studio, SQL Server, and you can go through the list. And there are many more in the list, but I thought of selecting just the 10 out of the most popular or most widely viewed uploads, and you can go through these videos if you haven't already, and let me know how to improve and what kind of videos you'd like in future from me. And I would like to continue telling about my situation and in general what kind of videos you would like to view in the future. And if you'd like me to go to create the membership, like YouTube allows me as a monetized channel partner to look for create membership, because I'm entitled to. And if you'd like to be my members, please let me know through the comments in this video.